Hello, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 2. In this video I'll show you all camera modes and settings. So, firstly let's open camera, set it in horizontal way, and let's check what this camera can do. Firstly, we've got typical modes like 64 megapixels, portrait, photo, video, and night. Let's start with night, where we can set ISO, shutter speed, white balance and autofocus. Also we can change aspect ratio and timer. And we can put on some filters as well. Next we've got video mode. It's typical video mode with 10 times zoom and 0.6 zoom out. Also we can turn on AI highlight video and ultra steady mode. In photo mode we've got 20 times zoom and 0.6 times zoom out. We can turn on Google Lens, HDR and put some filters. In portrait mode we can change timer and put filters and change retouching. 64 megapixels mode allows us to make very good pictures. We can also change timer, enable AI camera and turn on flashlight. In more we've got slow motion with adjustable resolution, dual view mode, stereo mode, 4 stars, expert mode with all pro settings like ISO, shutter, white balance, autofocus, EV, RAW, format, and flashlight. Then we've got movie mode. It's like pro mode for movies with the same settings, but also we've got grid lines. Then we've got time lapse with adjustable speed. For example, this one is for night streets, this one is for water, clouds, sky, etc. Let's go to ultra macro. This mode allows you to make ultra macro photos. Also we can scan text, make panorama pictures and make professional photos of streets. Now let's check settings. In settings we can turn on or off watermarks with phone model and data and time, adjust volume button action, change shutter sound, location and composition. For example, we can enable grid lines, diagonal lines and golden spiral in photo mode. In advanced settings we can enable or disable flip selfie, change photo video format, enable or disable quick launch gestures and quick share and edit. In shooting methods we can turn on or off tap to capture, show palm, and also we can change AI ultra clear mode and interior zoom. And that's all for camera modes and settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.